How to fix Telegram download speed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then click here battery, and now just disable power saving mode. Maybe you'll find it like that. Just disable it, and after that just click here apps, and now apps again, and here we'll find Telegram. Click on it, and first thing to do here is to click storage, click data usage, and now allow background data and roaming data, and you can allow mobile data if you want, and that's it. Now just go back and go try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.